Imagine this. A patient's heart suddenly stops and all eyes turns to you. Do you know what to do next? Hey, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will break down the adult cardiac arrest algorithm step by step so you can handle this life or death moments with clarity and confidence. So stay tuned till the end because this knowledge can save life. So let's start. First thing first, how do you recognize the cardiac arrest? The patient is unresponsive, there is no normal breathing or just gasping, no pulse in 10 seconds. If yes to all of this is a cardiac arrest. So, what's the golden rule? Start the CPR immediately while calling for help. Yes, start the CPR, high quality chest compression. What does that mean? Push hard more than 2 inch 5 centimeter depth and fast 100 to 120 per minute and allow the chest recoil. And simultaneously get someone to bring the AED or defibrillator. Now attach the defibrillator or AED and place the pads correctly. One on the right upper chest and the other one on the left lower chest. The AED will analyze the rhythm. Is it shockable or not shockable? If it's shockable, then it may be VF and pulseless VT. So in this case, deliver the shock by phasic at the rate at 200 Joule and start the CPR immediately for 2 minutes. Also take the IV IO access. Again check the rhythm. Is it shockable or not shockable? If it's shockable, then deliver the shock and again start the CPR for 2 minutes. Give the epinephrine every 3 to 5 minutes. Again deliver the shock and check the rhythm is shockable or not shockable. If it's shockable, then deliver the shock and start the CPR for 2 minutes and this time give the amiodarone and lidocaine and treat the reversible causes. If the rhythm is not shockable, then it may be asystole or pulseless electrical activity. In this case, give epinephrine as soon as possible and start the CPR for 2 minutes and give epinephrine every 3 to 5 minutes. Again check the rhythm, is it shockable or not shockable? If no, then start the CPR for 2 minutes and treat the reversible causes. Again check the rhythm, is it shockable or not shockable? If no, then again start the CPR, continue the same, and if the signs of return of spontaneous circulation, then go to the post cardiac arrest care. Once the patient rhythm is restored, then shift the patient to the post cardiac arrest care. Ensure oxygenation and maintain a target SpO2 of 94 to 99%. Keep the blood pressure more than 90 mm at the systolic with fluids or vasopressors. Consider targeted temperature management for comatose patient. Now the dosage of the drugs. For the epinephrine, it's 1 mg every 3 to 5 minutes. For amiodarone, first dose is 300 mg bolus and second dose is 150 mg. And for the lidocaine, first dose is 1 to 1.5 mg per kg and second dose is zero point 0.5 to 0.75 mg per kg. Never forget the common causes of the cardiac arrest because treating this can make all the difference. There are 5H and 5Ts: hypovolemia, hypoxia, hydrogen ion that is acidosis, hypo and hyperkalemia, and hypothermia. What are the 5Ts? Tension pneumothorax, tamponade cardiac, toxins, thrombosis pulmonary, thrombosis coronary. So these are the reversible causes. Mastering the cardiac arrest algorithm isn't just for exams, it's for real life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram. Until next time, stay prepared and keep saving life. Take care, see you in the next video. Bye.